Welcome to JVZoo tutorials, and in this video I'm going to show you how as a vendor you're going to be able to set affiliate thresholds to automatically approve the top affiliates here at JVZoo. In addition to that, I'm going to show you how to ban affiliates if you need. So from the main dashboard screen here, you want to come over to the left hand side and click the Sellers tab. And then scroll on down to My Affiliates. Once inside here, you're going to be able to see all of your approved affiliates for all of your offers. But we're going to scroll down here a little bit further and we're going to go down to Automated Affiliate Thresholds. Now, when enabled, this enables us to control the automatic approval of certain affiliates who meet this criteria. So we can set the number of sales greater than the dollar amount of those sales and their refund rate. So for example, we want to say, okay, anyone who's sold more than 2,000 units on JVZoo is obviously one of the top affiliates. The sales amount, I'm going to leave it at $1 because it actually doesn't particularly matter to me, the value of those sales. But I do want their refund rate, it's currently set 10%. I'm going to say actually I want it to be below 8%. Okay, so any affiliate that's done over 2,000 sales, obviously worth more than $1, which they will be, and with a refund rate of less than 8%, will be automatically approved for any of my products. Now this is really important because the top affiliates at JVZoo are going to expect instant approval so they can get on with promoting your product instantly. So we just click Save, and it's as easy and simple as that. Now we're going to head back to the My Affiliates tab, and we're going to scroll down now to Banned Affiliates. Now this really should be a last resort and definitely not done without justification. So for example, if you've got an affiliate promoting your product and they're promoting it in a way that you don't feel is ethical, that you feel is not in compliance with FTC guidelines, then I would suggest reaching out to them first and trying to resolve the issue. If for whatever reason you can't do that, or they're not willing to stop promoting your product, then you can come over here and ban them inside of JVZoo. Now, they will be notified about this ban. Obviously, we're going to notify them that they've been banned from a certain product so that they don't continue to promote it. And they will be removed from all of your products, and any future products they're not even going to be able to see when they're actually searching for products to promote. So they're completely banned from being involved with your products. Now, in terms of the affiliate search here, you simply enter in the affiliate that you're wanting to ban. So in this case, we'll just use JVZoo support, for example, so contact JVZoo support. You're obviously going to enter in the affiliate's name or their ID number here if you wish, so you're able to find them and ban them. We simply click Ban Affiliate and then click OK. So we can go ahead and they are now been banned from all of our products, and they will no longer see any of our products in the marketplace. And just like that, that is how you're able to set affiliate thresholds to approve the best affiliates here at JVZoo and easily be able to ban any bad actors as well.